Dear student, we study about matter. What is matter? All these objects have mass, occupy space and can be felt through our or more our sense organs. What makes these things to have these common properties? The Greek and Indian philosopher thought that everything around us, including our body, was made up of five basic elements, namely earth, fire, water, air, and sky. These five elements in Indian philosophy are called Panch Tattva. And now we study about matter is made up of particles. For this example, we learn activity. Take a 100 ml beaker and now fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Dissolve some salt sugar with the help of a glass rod and observe any change in water. What do you think has happened to the salt? Where does it disappear? Yes. Does the level of water change? No. In this way we can say that during this experiment the level of water in the beaker remained the same. The drop of the solution tastes sweet and the sugar crystal are not visible in the solution. In this way we can say that matter consists of small particles. There are some vacant space called voids in between these particles. When sugar is added into water and get mixed well, then the empty space were occupied by sugar particles. As a result, it dissolves and forms a uniform solution of water with sugar. And next topic, how small are these particles of matter? पदार्थ के कण कितने सूक्ष्म होते हैं? इसको करने के लिए हम एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं. उसमें एट फर्स्ट टेक आउट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 ml of this solution and put it into 90 ml of clear water, and then take 10 ml of this solution and put into another 90 ml of clear water, and then take out of 10 ml of solution and put into another 90 ml of clear water. Keep diluting the solution like this 5 to 8 times. Is the water still colored? In this way we can say that every particles is divided into small particles. प्रत्येक पदार्थ छोटे छोटे कणों में विभाजित हो जाता है और वो अपना प्रभाव दिखाता है. In this way we can say that from of the above activity we can conclude that each piece of potassium permanganate is made up of very small large number of small particles